Yo, what's up? How you guys doing? My name's Tyler, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to download a font on Procreate. So first, what you're going to do is find a font that you like. I'm going to download Blackway. So you press download and download again. Go to your download section, and what this is going to do is it just downloaded it to your files folder in your downloads section. So you press that, uncompress the zip file that it just downloaded, and it's going to make a folder. You go into that folder, you find the font. This is a OTF font. Long press it, you press move, and then you're going to look for your Procreate folder. You're going to look for the fonts folder inside of Procreate and just press copy. After that, the font will be ready to use. You go back to Procreate. We got to find Blackway now. Let's see. Oh, I'm sorry, I missed it. But yeah, it's right there. You can download any font as long as it's a .otf or .ttf. But besides that, hope you guys have fun and like and share the video. Appreciate it.